Hello, my name is Teacher Jake and welcome to Kindy 3B Speaking Test. What's your name?
My name is Linda.
How old are you, Linda?
I'm 6 years old.
And how are you today?
I'm good.
Alright, Linda, let's count numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, this one? 20. Alright, let's have by 10, Linda. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134 E and what's the sound? Sound. E. Letters A, I, R. What's the sound? Air. How about this sound? S and H. What's the sound? How about letters U and R? What's the sound, Linda? How about letters O and I? Oi. How about letters O and R? What's the sound? The sound is or. Letters O and W. What's the sound? The sound is O. And letters E, A, and R. The sound is ear. Now this time, Linda, let's have different animals. Start with this one. It's a and this one? Okay. What does a lizard feel like, Linda? So lizards feel, what do you think? Rough. Okay. How about a turtle? What does a turtle feel like? It's smooth. How about a parrot? What does it feel like? Soft. How about a rabbit? Feels soft. Okay. Now this time, Linda, let's have body parts. You say, I've got 2 eyes. I've got, and I've got ears. Okay, this one, let's have another part of the body. I've got arms. And this one?
I've got 2
hands. I've got
2 legs.
2 legs. Okay. Here, Linda, we've got 3D shapes. Okay. Now you tell Teacher Jake, what 3D shape is this? Is it sphere? Yes or no?
Yes.
This one? Cone. Is it cube? And this one? It's a cylinder. Now these 3D shapes, Linda, you tell Teacher Jake, what's the shape of an ice cream cone? Cone. And what's the shape of the ball? Is it sphere? And how about the tin? Cylinder. And how about a box? Yes, a box. What's the shape of the box? Is it cube? Yes? Okay. Now here, Linda, you tell me the time. What time is it here? It's
It's
1 o'clock. What do you do at 1 o'clock, Linda? You get up at 1 o'clock? And what time is this? 3 o'clock. What do you do at 3 o'clock? I play with my friends. What do you do at 5 o'clock? What do you do at 5 o'clock? I do my homework. What time is this?
7 o'clock.
Okay,
It's supper.
I eat supper. And this one? What time is it?
10 o'clock.
And what do you do at 10 o'clock? I go to sleep. So here, complete, Linda. I get up at and school starts at school starts at okay, here I have at 11. Here I
Go to bed
at
10 o'clock.
okay, that's the end of our speaking test, Linda. Say goodbye to the video.